Another cool thing on Navisworks is the workspaces. When you go to the View tab on Workspaces panel, you can see the loaded workspaces. Right now we are using the Navisworks standard. You can save a workspace with the selection tree open and the properties open like this. You can save this workspace. It would be saved in this path on the C drive, users and your username, inside the folder app data, which is a hidden folder. You need to view hidden folders if you want to access this path. Inside roaming, Autodesk Navisworks manage your version and workspaces. You can name it whatever you like and save it. And when you load workspace, you will see the name you have entered here. Let's explore a workspace that's called Navisworks Minimal. If you have too many open windows like this, and open another window for explaining the sets again, and dock it like this. I can dock it here, this like this. We have the sets and the selection. If you go to the view and load the workspace, which is called Navisworks Minimal, it would restart the program with all the windows are closed, to give you the much more space of the same view you can view your project and work on it. If you want to load the windows again, we can go to Navisworks standard. It loaded some more windows, the properties and saved viewpoints, the clash detective and selection tree and so on. So you can save any workspace that you like, as I have mentioned before, and you can load it for much more convenient working on the software.